Jad Dunning, CEO for DriverSide.com, talks about a new kind of website that focuses comprehensively on end-to-end vehicle ownership, including all points in the ownership cycle, like service, repairs, maintenance, parts and accessories, recalls, valuing, and more.
When we started this company, we saw lots of wonderful sites out there that help consumers buy and sell new and used vehicles. What we didn't see was a service providing an end-to-end, comprehensive focus on vehicle ownership. Wherever I may be in the ownership cycle, service, repairs, maintenance, parts and accessories, recalls, valuing my vehicle to decide the best time to sell, asking questions of mechanics, technical questions of mechanics for free. Wherever you are in your ownership cycle, DriverSide is intended to help you save time and money. So as it relates to recent recalls by the OEMs that you mentioned and issues that they have with their vehicles, we play right there. We are about educating consumers on the needs of owning their vehicles, helping them make the decisions that they need to make to keep those cars safe and on the road. And we think by doing this, what we're creating is a trust with the consumer, a gratitude, a loyalty, frankly, that a transactional site, as good as the job they do on helping people buy and sell vehicles, because they don't focus on the 3 to 5 years between those purchases, have a hard time building. So that's what, as it relates to our relationships with OEMs, dealers, aftermarket, we work with them to build that same sort of trust and gratitude with their customer in delivering this kind of information. We have a consumer-facing portal at DriverSide.com where we include choice for the consumer. If you need service done on your Explorer, at DriverSide.com you can see a list of shops that service Ford in your local market, dealers and aftermarket. We'll give you full choice. So that's the consumer experience at DriverSide.com. For our industry partners, we create a private labeled version of that. So for example, the Ford store, we extract their customer information out of DMS. We create vehicle garages on behalf of that Ford store. And we drive the service reminders and all the messaging that we send to that consumer exclusively back to that Ford store. So you have to think about our service a couple of different ways. There's the consumer-facing experience at DriverSide.com. And then there's the private labeled version that we create for a dealer, or for an aftermarket shop, or anybody else looking to build stronger, more lucrative relationships with their existing customers. What we're helping them do is build stronger relationships with their customers. We're never going to allow their customer, we're never going to prompt their customer to go to another aftermarket shop, if you will, for service.